Hey everybody, this is Ron at Lorusso Gardens. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a 3-pound pack of bees into 2 hives. I bought 2 queen bees. Well, the 3-pound package comes with a queen bee, and I bought an extra one. I'm going to turn 2 10-frame Langstroth hives from one pack of bees using my cell phone, and there'll be no editing, so bear with me. Let me pause it, I'll get right back to you. Alright, we're back. First you want to take the queen. See her in there, she's got a dot. She's the larger one. Oh, that's not even focusing, this thing sucks. Well, besides the point, she's alive in there well. One side has the sugar, it comes with a cork. I've already taken the cork out. The bees will eat that to release the queen. This is what you do with the package. You need your hive tool. You pop this open. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. You're going to have to spray the bees with a little bit of sugar water, which is going to make them kind of clump together. And one moment, please. A little bit of sugar water. You're going to want them all to clump together. Not cold, not hot, warm. Kind of a pain in the butt to do it with one hand while holding the cell phone, but I'll get it done. Alright, after that's done, we're going to pop the top off. I'm going to pause it again, hold on. Alright, I popped the top off. Now here you'll see this little metal tab. This is going to be... One second, that's the queen. You got to get the metal. This is sugar water that keeps them fed while they're waiting. One second. Alright, so once you grab that out, once you remove this, all the bees can come out. So what I'm going to do is remove it and put a towel over it so they can't escape. It's kind of hard on my own. One second. Okay, that was more difficult with one hand than I thought. So after you spray the bees with water, they clump together. You turn it over and you bang them out. You see I have a queen there and a queen there. And then I'm going to separate them. And they'll start 2 new hives. They're going to go a little quicker because, as you can see, these frames are already drawn out. This is what a frame looks like that's not drawn out. It doesn't have any comb on it yet. This is semi-drawn out. But most of those in there are fully drawn out, so it'll speed up the progress of the hive. But basically, just going to wrap it up from here. The bees are going to eat through that sugar candy and release the queens. And about a week from now, I'll come take a look and see if she's laying. Have a good day.